little Cliff. Cliff Bernard from BaseSupply.com back at you with another unboxing video. Today we're here with the Gesipa Accubird Pro 2200 18-volt brushless, cordless riveting tool. Let's open up the case and see what we got. Got this nice attractive blue carrying case. Gesipa is one of the leaders in cordless tools. They probably had the first cordless tool out on the market, the original Accubird. This is the new released Accubird Pro version of the original Accubird. It's got a lot of new improvements. Let's go through and see what we got. Here's what you get in the case. You get a nice durable carrying case, operating manual, the tool itself. Nice new slim design that they've incorporated. It's not as boxy as the original Accubird. Here's the 2.1 amp hour battery that comes with it. There's a charging indicator on the battery. Here's the quick charger. It's about a 30-minute charge time. And what's nice about this tool is it has a built-in hanger bracket on the top here. If I can get my fingernail under it. There you go. That's what that looks like. And this is the mandrel cup that moves from the back of the tool. It's a nice, sturdy, heavy-duty, rubberized kind of cup. And on the side of the tool, you have a little nose piece wrench here. You have a 3/32, 1/8, 5/32, and a 3/16 tip on the tool. So you got 4 tips. Once again, 3/32, 1/8, 5/32, and the 3/16. So you get 4 tips. It's a full range tool. It's got, let's go through some of the specifications. It's, as I said, 18-volt system. It's a 4.4 pound weight with the battery on the tool. It's 2,250 pounds of pull force, so it's a mid-range tool designed for pretty much standard blind rivets from 3/32, little tiny rivets, all the way up to the 3/16 diameter rivets. Let's set some rivets and we'll go through and show you how it works. All right, let's set some rivets here. We've got a thin test plate, some short 3/16 blind rivets. You can put the blind rivet in the tool, bring the test plate onto it. There you go, back into the collection bottle. And that's what it looks like. Let's do a couple more just so you get an idea. This time I'll put the rivet in the actual test plate, bring it into the tool. Helps if you can get it in the nose piece. Now that noise is what you get when the battery is starting to run down low. We only charged this for a few minutes when we started it up this morning. So that's actually a low battery indicator audio warning that you get, which is nice, a nice feedback built into the tool. Let's do one more. And what's nice about the low battery warning is the tool doesn't drop dead when that happens. You still have quite a bit of power left in the tool, but it reminds you to get that thing in the charger when you're, pretty soon. There you go. And again, nice rubberized grips, super heavy-duty German motor, and a really nice upgrade over the original Accubird that was released probably a good 15 years ago. This is now their latest version. The Accubird Pro 2200. So we appreciate you being with us again for another unboxing video today. We went over the features and the way the operation works on the Gesipa Accubird Pro 2200. Come check us out at BaseSupply.com where you can see our full range of tools and fasteners. We handle all the major engineered fastening system, threaded insert system, and lock bolt products that are out on the market today. We've got an excellent service department. We also are very capable of helping you with any design or automation assistance you might need for your production assembly needs. Give us a shout. Our phone number is 800-718-8818. You can email us at info@BaseSupply.com. Please check us out on YouTube. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a like on Facebook. Let us know how you've enjoyed or what you want to see in the future in these videos. We plan on doing a lot more. And before we go, let me just give you a little riff from Little Walter. That's the old juke riff for those of your blues lovers out there. We'll see you next time.